Today, we're gonna revise the long O vowel sound lesson. Learning outcomes. Review long O vowel sound. Demonstrate understanding by using long O vowel sound in the sentences. Predict and generate a list of long O and short O vowel sound. In how many ways we can spell the long O vowel sound? 5 ways to spell long O sound. Just the letter O. In some cases, the long O sound is spelled with just the letter O. For example, oval and go. OE words. A very common way of spelling the long O sound is with an O in the middle of the word and an E at the end of the word. For example, rose and home. OA words. A next way of spelling the long O sound is with the letters OA. For example, goat and boat. OW words. Some words spell the long O sound with the letters OW. In these words, the long O sound usually appears at the end of the word. For example, window, tomorrow. OE words. Occasionally, at the end of a word, the long O sound is spelled with the letters OE. For example, to and fo. Do you know what letters are missing? Trace the lines to put each word in the right category. Read and listen. In which words do the letters OW rhyme with the word slow?
Track 66.
5 little seeds.
Under the leaves and under the snow, 5 little seeds are waiting to grow. Out comes the sun, down comes a shower, and up come 5 pretty pink flowers.
How many long O vowel sound do we have in the following sentence? Try to read it out loud.